To get the length of our placket, we will measure from the waistline down to the hip level. And from the hip level, we will add 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters. So for this pattern, from the waistline to the hip level is 7 inches or 18 centimeters. Now we will be cutting the placket for the zipper. The standard length of our zipper is 7 inches or 18 centimeters. We will mark this, and from there we will add 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters. Then for the placket, on the fold, we will go out 1.5 inches or 4 centimeters. Okay? Then we might as well pin this so that when we cut, we get an evenly cut fabric. So here, as you can see, the fold here is not even, so we will cut a straight line here. Then cut on the 1.5 inches or 4 centimeters marking, and we will just cut a little over the length of the fly underlap placket. I may have shortened the length of the placket when I straightened the fabric on this side. So now, to get the other placket, we will lay the cut placket on this part of our fabric, and we will pin the other placket this way. Then we will mark the length, the width of our placket this way. Then we can cut our placket this way first. Then on this side, we will round off this end of our fly front placket.